Alright, let's test it out. Okay, there we go, it works. Wah. I love that duck. I love that duck. Fuck off! Noonlight, you are free to play. Jesus fuck. You are free to play. Shit. You are. Why does everyone do the quack? Why does everyone do the quack first? There are screaming people, and you guys do the quack first. What the fuck? Oh fuck. That's fucking scared the shit out of me.
Everything alright? You don't sound so hot.
No, it's
I'm hot?
It's
Well, Chess. I didn't realize you felt that way about me.
No, I said I'm fine.
Alice, calm down. You're being a bitch. Fuck.
Now listen.
I thought it was the rocks.
I'll call you later.
God, I don't fucking like this. Is this, like, I usually not freaked out by shit, but this is like literally into my, like, this is primal fear.
First it's witches and
The
curses.
fuck? That's so weird.
Commando.
No, I hate this. I royally fucking hate this. Oh my god, no. Oh god, no. Oh, this is dark. This is like real life. Oh my god, no. I fucking hate this. Fuck all of you. I fucking hate this. Oh my god. I don't like this. I don't like this one bit, guys. Boo. Man. Oh, Knight, you scared me. That was such a delay.
No signal. Great. Go ahead.
Fucking hell, yo.
I've been trying to reach you for hours.
I thought you were supposed to say try to reach about your car's extended warranty.
Alice.
Keep you posted. Over now.
You frickin' frickin'
Here.
frickin'. You have to do the unofficial Sam map? Yeah. What the fuck? I hate all of you right now. Fucking Christ. I know I can do that alone and like be okay with that.
Look, I won't do anything. I'm just gonna find him.
Fuck.
I'll wait for you.
Fuck, dude. Guys are scared the shit out of me. I'm not a big screamer, but like, I'm more of like, if, you know the fight or flight response? There's actually a third response, and it's do nothing, and I'm the do nothing. I like legit can't see shit. Oh my god! Oh fucking Christ! Oh my god. Can we take a breather? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! That scared the fuck out of me! Like, holy fucking crap! Oh my god! So you see the boundary. Well, you don't see the boundary. So I'm on the floor right now. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god, that is terrifying. Fuck off, dude. That thing came right at me and I was just like, fucking shit. I hate all of you right now. You're just making it worse. It's fucking... You guys suck. What's up?
Something wrong, buddy?
Fucking Christ. Fuck you.
Seems all I do is apologize, and then I say something stupid again.
That's life, brother.
And I keep coming back for more. Guess I'm a glutton for punishment.
It's like we're trapped in a never-ending cycle of bullshit.
That is life. We're trying to never end this cycle of bullshit. You guys in that fucking knocking, I swear to God. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I really don't like this. What?
Run, fellas.
What the? What?
Hold on. Fellas, run.
I fucking hate all of you for that. I know war flashbacks, but Jesus, this is like fucking hell. God damn it. This is fucking real. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh my God. Oh God. I don't fucking like this. Fuck, dude. I'm gonna ignore whatever the hell that was. Oh, what? What? What the fuck? What the hell? Oh, I can't see shit. It's like actually fucking dark. Fuck! God damn it, Noodle Knight. I was just like, oh, this is Skyrim dark. Open those ears, finally. Fuck off. I got scared earlier. Ask people in chat. I fucking literally scared the shit out of myself and like had to sit down for a minute. The hell? Fuck.
Duck.
Oh, I'm not. Nope, not even gonna fucking look back. Fuck that. Nope. Fuck you. I could flip if I flip you off. I could. Hey, Jess, what's up? You know, just run from hell. That fucking. Woo! And then. Oh. Oh, that's menacing. Look at that. Look at that. That's fucking god awful.
Take a good long whiff, bullet. It's important.
Stupid. You guys fucking did the quack on me. Hi, Bullet. Hi, Bullet. I want to pet you. Fucking come here. Hi. Hi.
Yeah, good dog.
Good boy. Oh, your head is... Whoa, dude. Let's change that for a minute. Oh, no. That's fucking Iraq war shit right there. Fuck off. Can't tell me that's not. Is that fire? Can you even fucking see that? Is that fucking fire? Oh, fuck, dude.
It's okay, buddy. It's all gone. See?
Fucking Christ. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, I don't like this. Fucking hell, y'all. Fucking hell. Mart. God damn it, guys. Fucking hell. Don't, just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. What the hell? Oh, fucking hell. Okay, I'm just gonna run. God, oh my God, no, fuck everything. Fuck. Oh, what the hell? This is straight up Iraq. God damn it, y'all. This is fucking awful.
No. You're not. No.
Christ. Fucking massacre. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, shit. Fuck, yo. Fuck. Okay. We're still good. Fuck. Like, shit. He's just gonna pee right where I'm gonna fucking step? The dog just peed where I stepped, chat. What the fuck? I was about to step in the dog's piss. That's not fucking okay. That's mean. Fuck off, yo. God damn all of you. Fucking Christ. Oh god, where's my thing? Oh shit. Oh my god, that thing is so terrifying. That thing is fucking awful. Christ. Yeah, I fucking know you're out here, you little tree bitch. Fuck you. Yep, go in there. Fucking hell, dude. Oh. That'll do.
This should do it.
Stop pissing! The dog keeps fucking pissing on me! Stop pissing, literally. You're continuously pissing on the rust! Fuck.
And the road's clear. Come on, buddy.
God damn it, yo.
Now,
Onward. Full fucking speed. Wah. I love that. I love that duck noise.
oh shit.
The fuck?
No, don't stop now.
Fucking hell. You guys are not helping. The alien was playing in the Tappy East Creek when a witness claimed a ghost white hand reached out of the water. Fuck! Night, you're fucking killing me here. Oh, I hate this. Oh, I hate this, chat. I'm not down for this right now. I am not down to fucking clown. Oh, I am so not fucking down to clown. There is something in the John. The fuck?
Another one.
I hope they didn't use that to wipe their ass. That'd be really awkward for everyone. Fucking Christ. I get scared by a fucking door. Oh man, are you fucking high? No, no. I don't like that. Oh, Jesus, yo, okay, dude?
Jesus. Real long blade.
Fuck.
What? What? How? Jesus Christ! What the fuck just happened?
Yeah, what the fuck did just happen? Fuck, dude. God damn you guys. Doing a fantastic job and I don't like it. Oh, he's walking barefoot. That's weird. Yeah, oh, you're finally awake. Yeah, not loving this. Gotta say, not a fucking fan. I love horror, but like, I hate this in a... God damn it. Art, you fuck. You fucked me. Yeah, I'm in the woods. But the fuck some shit up. What the hell? Fuck, yo. I hate that. I was like, what the fuck? This is fucking goddamn it. What is Bullet doing? Fuck, dude. God damn it, dude. What the fuck? Fucking Christ. Oh. Fuck, yo. God damn it. Art, you're an ass. Fuck, dude. God damn it, shit. Sit those. God damn all of you. Oh, you're right there. I got scared by a fucking duck. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. Da-da-da-da-da-da, Park Street. Da-da-da-da-da, Park Street. Take me to the center to play Fortnite today. Alright, I think this is a fantastic time to, call it quits for today. Hell yeah. I will finish this game with the stream like this, because it just seems really important like that. Good motherfucking stream. Very good fucking stream. Like, damn. I mean, we had lots of scuff, and by lots of scuff, I mean a fuck ton of scuff. But, you know, we made it. We made it work. Power of friendship and all that fucking stuff. Okay. Good stream it was. Oh, god damn, dude. I'm fucking... Ugh. Fucking exhausted. Like, it's so weird. So, like, what was it? In December, I got affiliate, and now we're, like, almost at 300 followers. I was at maybe 100, 120. And we're like almost twice that much. We're at 265. That's insane. Fuck. Alright, so yes, the corn cult shall be forever. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all, and have a fantastic rest of your day.